Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. With bamboo being eyed as a substitute for plastic, the Bamboo Industry Association of Jamaica says it's not yet in a position to capitalize on the opportunity presented by the ban on single-use plastics. The ban took effect on Tuesday, January 1. Here's TVJ's Andrew Laidley with this week's Business Review.
Here's what Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Industry, J.C. Hutchinson, said about the bamboo industry last year.
Bamboo is one of the strongest materials that you can find. They make bridges, railway sleepers out of bamboo. We are also looking to see if we can identify investors who are interested in coming and setting up manufacturing plants here in Jamaica to do the processing right here in Jamaica, not to carry our bamboo out and have it processed elsewhere.
Fast forward to 2019, and Chairman of the Bamboo Industry Association of Jamaica, Robert Rainford, says he's not quite ready yet. He says members have been receiving several enquiries since the plastic ban was announced. 2 factories are being established to manufacture alternative products to supply the local market. But he says the first factory will not be in operation until another 8 months.
The activities are far advanced. Just that we will not be ready on January 1 to start to be able to provide these substitutes. But before the end of 2019, we should be in a position to start to do so.
Nevertheless, Mr. Rainford is confident that when the industry is up and running commercially, there will be enough bamboo to go around. This amid concerns that the volume of bamboo in Jamaica could be depleted by the high demand for the plant.
We'll have to be very careful because the Forestry Department tells us that we have about 165,000 acres of bamboo growing right now, just growing all over the island. One of the things that the association is very high on is to make sure that we nurture what we have. It goes back so fast, and what we find is that the more you cut the bamboo, the faster it grows. Right? So we have to make sure that you don't destroy what you have, but you reap properly. And that's part of what the association is all about.
He says the prototypes for bamboo straws, bags, and containers have passed the quality tests of the Bureau of Standards Jamaica. Mr. Rainford says the costs for the bamboo products will be affordable. The ban means that the importation, manufacture, distribution, and use of single-use plastic bags, plastic straws, and imported styrofoam products is no longer allowed. For the Business Review, I am Andrew Laidley.